Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a wise old elephant named Gajendra. Gajendra was respected by all the animals of the jungle for his wisdom and kind heart. One scorching summer, a severe drought hit the jungle. The once flowing river had dried up, and the animals were suffering from thirst and hunger. Desperation filled the air, and conflicts erupted as the animals competed for the little remaining water and food. Gajendra, observing the chaos and realizing the dire situation, decided to take action. He called for a meeting with all the animals under the shade of a massive banyan tree. When the animals gathered, he spoke with compassion and wisdom. "My dear friends," Gajendra began, "I see the pain and suffering all around us, but fighting amongst ourselves will only worsen the situation. Instead, let us work together to find a solution." Listening to Gajendra's words, the animals felt a glimmer of hope. They agreed to cooperate and brainstorm a plan. Gajendra suggested that they search for a hidden spring he had heard of in his younger days, a spring that never dried up, no matter how severe the drought. The animals embarked on a journey through the jungle, following Gajendra's guidance. They encountered many challenges along the way, but they supported each other and pressed on. After days of searching, they finally found the hidden spring, tucked away deep in the heart of the jungle. The animals rejoiced and quenched their thirst, filling their parched bodies with life-giving water. They also shared the location of the spring with other animals in need. As the jungle rejuvenated, the animals learned a valuable lesson from Gajendra's leadership. They discovered that unity, cooperation, and kindness were their greatest strengths. They realized that by working together, they could overcome even the most challenging of situations. With the drought over and the jungle thriving once more, the animals continued to live in harmony, cherishing the lessons they had learned from the wise old elephant, Gajendra. And from that day on, they remembered that unity and compassion were the keys to their survival and happiness. The moral of the story is, unity and compassion can overcome even the most challenging obstacles.